Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today's video is going to be super short, super sweet, and super simple. We're going to be going over a little tutorial on how to find your 1099 form here on Treasury Direct. Many of you who have been watching us for a while probably know that we do a lot of Treasury videos, and so I figured I'd make this super quick to help you find your tax information for this year with tax season coming up. If you've logged into the Treasury Direct website recently, you've probably seen this notice on your screen that says that the 1099s are available, but if you're watching this in a future year, it's important to know that they're not guaranteed to be available until the end of January, and so if you can't find it, that might just be why. But let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Once again, super quick and super simple. The first thing that we're going to do is log into our account, obviously, and then we're going to press this button right here that says Manage Direct. Once we click that button, in the bottom left of your screen, you'll see a little section that says Manage My Taxes, and in this case, we're going to click on the one that says Year 2023. After doing that, this page right here will pop up. It actually shows you a list of all of your transactions. In my case, I have a whole bunch of little ones because of all the videos that we've made and different tutorials. But the button that's going to be important for today's video is going to be this one right here that says View Your 1099 for tax year 2023. And once we've clicked that, we arrive to this page right here. Now I've already scrolled down a little bit so I don't have to blur out my social security number, address, all of that. So your screen is going to look a little bit different, but it will look fairly similar to this one. This is the form that they provide that you're going to need to import to something like TurboTax, or that you're going to need to print out or import in some other way into your tax filing for this year. Now, one thing that I really don't like about it is that it's not super simple compared to documents from institutions like Charles Schwab. I think they're a lot simpler and a lot easier to import into something like TurboTax. Another downside is that I haven't found any way to have them print it and mail it to you themselves. If you know of a way to do it, make sure to leave it down in the comments section down below to help out someone that might prefer them to just mail it straight to their home. I hope today's video was helpful and explained well. If it helped you out, go ahead and leave a like down below, and while you're down there, leave any video ideas or questions that you have in the comments section down below. But other than that, we'll see you in the next one.